I see here the AZ1 Igbo Women Association of Mantova, Italy, and I can see the president and the vice president is here. So, how did you guys how did you women organize this program? Because it's very surprising to me to see a women that organize themselves, in this kind of occasion. So I'm very surprised. So tell me, I want to hear from you.
Okay, my name is Lebechi Rebecca Onogolo. And I am living here in Mantova, Italy. As you said, you have seen us here as one women association. Yes, we are here as one to honor this occasion, and we are formed as one in Mantova because we're from Igbo, that is Biafra, and. We know that as Igbo, wherever we go, we'll try to unite because anybody is in a gidi bugweze. Yes. So so that is why we try to be together to know each other from home and reach from abroad to home.
So how long now this association have lasted?
This association is now 2 years. 2 years and so we are doing well, as you can see, and we pray to do more and have many members.
Okay,
of our people among us.
I have your advice here, and also, how did you cope to work together with your advice?
Wow, that is wonderful because one cannot do it alone. We need advice, we need more understanding. So that is why I am working with her. And she has been there for everyone to do her work as is supposed as advice. So it has been so good for me to have her. I admire her understanding and her wisdom. She works well with me. Yeah.
Thank you. I will come back to you. You are the honorable vice of this association of AZ1 Igbo Women Association of Mantova. So how do you manage to handle this association for past 2 years and 3 years with your president?
Okay. My name is Ebere Chinyere. I'm the vice president of AZ1 Igbo Women Association. Like you said, it has not been easy, okay? But when you work in team and understanding, you achieve your goal, okay? So people will say that it's not easy to handle women, but it depends on your understanding, the way you cooperate with others. And me and my president, who have been working hand in hand together to push this association forward. It is said that conflict is one of the characteristics of association. Okay, so we have come together to see a way we handle our conflicts in sisterly love. Okay.
So another thing again, this association now, is it only for Igbos alone?
For now, it's open for other tribes. When we opened this association, we thought of being an association for the Igbos. But when we started having some requests from people from other states, we decided to make it open so that others can come and benefit. Because it's not easy to be in a foreign land, okay? As women, we need to come together to hear each other, and also not only for the Igbos, to make ourselves known, to be heard, okay? To make all the other government institutions in Mantova, okay? To make them know that we are existing. We have registered our association.
Okay. Your association is registered, right?
Yeah, we have registered the association. We have registered it. And most of the government institutions know that we are existing in Mantova, okay? Most of the women association, because in future, we hope to work with them, okay, as women, okay?
Thank you.
I work as a cultural mediator in Mantova and also...
Cultural mediator?
Yeah, for the immigrants. So, the citizens here, the government institution, this is what they want. They want us to come out. They want to know that we are existing, so that they will know how to come and help. So that's why we have formed this association for women.
Okay, thank you so much. So, President, as a president, what is your biggest challenge to, for being a president of women like you? Because to organize women, I know it's not going to be easy work. So, what is your biggest challenge so far?
Well, my biggest challenge is that sometimes, due to the situation of this country, the work aspect of it, some are working in terms of our gathering. So it is really affecting us. But I see the zeal in them to be one. Okay? So despite the challenge of their working time to meet up, attending our meetings, I see that even they have made me to know that even when they are not present, that their spirit is there. Okay, so I see that love in them. I see that zeal in them. So that gives me confidence that normally anybody that is not coming due to work, they will definitely call me. Okay, tell me, please see the situation, and I will understand with them because I am in the system also.
Thank you. So, how do you finance yourself in this association? Because I believe in every association there must be a financial support in every association.
Yeah. Even when we registered our meeting, we made them to understand that this is a non-profit organization. But at the same time, they know that money answers a lot of things. Okay, so we could able to, hence we are working, many of us are working